Something I think everyone should know how to do in Blender when they're modeling is to bridge edges. Bridging edges is great to close up gaps in your model. Here I have an apartment building and I want to close up the roof. This little area is supposed to be a roof, so I need to bridge these edges to connect them. How do you do it? Well, you go up to your top and in edit mode, change to edge if you're not already an edge, and then grab two edges that you want to bridge. So I need to make a quad in order to bridge it, and these two together will make a perfect quad. So that's good. I'm going to do one to the other. Once I've selected both, and make sure you've shift selected both, you hit Control E on your keyboard and bridge edge loop. Okay, perfect. And that's great. You'll get this menu down here. I don't want to do anything unusual, so I'm going to leave it as is and keep it simple. But you can definitely play around with that if you want. Also, you can bridge multiple edges at once, so you just have to make sure you have the right number of corresponding edges to edges. And here we have 4 to 4, so it's perfect. And now I'm going to select and then shift select all of the edges that I want to connect here on both sides. And once I do that, I hit Control E on my keyboard and go to Bridge Edge Loop, and there we go. It's all closed off. So I hope that this helped you guys, and join me for more videos as I learn Blender.